What is up, you guys? My name is Christian Corey, and this is my Week 8 video discussion board post for Communications, Professor Hutson's class. Okay, before I get started on answering the two questions that Professor Hutson posed, first I will be reading to you guys two direct quotes from Chapter 8 about television. This will help you better understand my answer to question number 1. The first quote that I'll be using tells us where the word television was first used, and that is on page 155, and it says, "The word television first appeared in the June 1907 issue of Scientific American. Before then, experiments in image transmission had been called visual wireless, visual radio, and electric vision." To me, it's surprising because this quote is saying that basically people before 1907 were thinking that far ahead into the future, into visual imagery. So that is pretty interesting. And I did not know that visual wireless, visual radio, and electric vision were used before the word television was used. I do not know exactly when those three phrases were coined, but I assume it is before 1907, and that is pretty interesting. I like visual radio because on radio, you just hear the broadcaster. Now you're able to hear and see the broadcaster via the television, and that is pretty cool, and it makes the most sense out of the three that the book gave us. The second quote is on page 152, and the quote is, "The word television, which once meant programs delivered by antennas through over-the-air signals, now means television screens, where several different types of delivery systems bring viewers a diversity of programs." To me, it's basically saying that originally, when people thought of television and heard the word television, they just thought of transmission signals going through the air like radio waves. But now we're past that. When we think of television, we think of the actual physical screen that brings us and entertains us in many different and diverse ways, which television does here in the 21st century. Question number 1, which is, what was the most interesting thing that I learned this semester? And again, it was Chapter 8 on television. I liked how the book gave a brief history of each of the 9 different categories of television, which are variety shows, sitcoms, dramas, westerns, detective stories, movies, soap operas, talk shows, and quiz shows. I liked how it mentioned the different hosts of The Tonight Show, which I love, such as Jerry Lester, Steve Allen, Jack Parr, the OG Johnny Carson, Jay Leno, and Jimmy Fallon. Go check out Johnny Carson if you have not. Professor Hutson, you probably heard of him well. Just go check him out if you have not. He's hilarious. I always watch him on YouTube if I need a good laugh. Also, I like the homework that we got to do for Chapter 8. I enjoyed when I was able to pick a specific character from a TV sitcom that I like and really go in depth into that character and try to find out the character's characteristics and the character's impact and meaning to the series. For that homework assignment, I chose Hawkeye from the 1970 war comedy drama series MASH. MASH is a very good series. Hawkeye is played by Alan Alda. Go check it out if you have not. Very good series, very good actor. Another quick thing that I liked doing this semester was when I got to make short videos like this one for homework. I love making short videos. I am a YouTuber. I have a YouTube channel called MLB Chatterbox. Go check it out. I feel I'm able to show you guys my most natural communication skills when I'm in front of the camera and speaking to you guys via film. So that is what I enjoyed this semester. Second question is, goodbye, see you later. Thank you, Professor Hutson, for all your help this semester. I truly do appreciate it, and I hope I can see you guys in the class sometime soon. All right, I'll catch you guys later.